What's up, guys, and thank you for visiting Pathfinder Digital Marketing. I'm Anthony Lloyd, also known as Tech Tony, owner of Pathfinder Digital Marketing. Now, we operate in 3 different areas to help your small business grow online. Primarily, first, what we specialize in is Google Ads or Google Pay per click. Those are those ads you see on the search engine, and they show up in a flurry of other places for your company. Another area that we work in is SEO, and we do specialize in both types of SEO, on-site SEO and off-site SEO. If you weren't sure about those 2 types or even knew about them, please feel free to check out my YouTube video where I go in further details about them. Another area we work in is also website design, build and maintenance, and hosting also, because we can't run ads or work on just any site. It has to function properly in the first place. And if it's not functioning properly, then we're going to have some other problems later on down the road. Now, my company, we do offer services in other areas like Google My Business Listings, aka the map, which is the foundation of any business's online reputation and their presence. We also offer social media consulting and services as well. If you're not too sure what you need, please feel free to click any of the links above me or below me to either call me or schedule a free consultation. We'll be able to sit down with you either in person, phone call, or in Zoom, see where your business is at and see where your business needs to be. Once again, I'm Tech Tony. Thank you for visiting my site, and please feel free to reach out to me. You have a great day.